Yo, talking to the rapper. I'm doing the bar challenge. The LC threw out there. Shout out to LC. Let's get it. God bless. Be careful who you hustling with. Two-faced friends. Your worst enemy could be the one you shake hands. The biggest threat could be the one that you know for years. But it turned out that deep down he never cared. Came from the sandbox with your homie, both in the struggle. Then when you got out of it, you got your ass in trouble. Snakes don't hiss anymore, they call you brother. Taking on your family one by one, can't lose another. I keep it real, my reward is depression. This world scares the hell out of me. I have so many questions, but every time I try to ask them I get blasted. A simple question, now they tell me it's harassment. I'm putting on for where I came from. Johnstown, PA is where I got my name from. At the bottom is where I took the game from. And I've been keeping it real since day one. You want some real shit, man? You got it. You want money and hoes? I'm not it. I'm just a kid with a dream to change the game. Other than that, I don't care about fame.